So I've gotten this question a number of times about how do I grow my hair long like yours? And while I keep telling people that your hair is actively growing, all you just need is to retain length and stuff like that, I want to find out, okay, yeah, we can do this, we can retain length together. I mean, that's part of why I'm doing a protective style challenge, and I also invite people to join in the challenge as well. Like, if you come to my DM and you tell me your hair is not growing, you're having issues with your hair, or you've tried everything and it's not working, first thing I typically ask people is, what is your routine like? Honestly speaking, it's very disappointing to know that a lot of people don't even know what a hair care routine is actually. I ask people, what is your routine like? And the next thing they do is to start mentioning products. I do Ayurvedic treatment, I do rice water, I do this, I do that. I'm like, that is not a hair care routine. It's not products. It's not what you're putting on your hair. No. I realized that there's a huge gap. Even though we are so many out here trying to pour out knowledge, trying to tell people how to take care of their hair, still yet, I think that there's a huge gap. Like, some people still actually don't get it. They don't understand what it is to have a hair care routine and how it helps you to retain length, rather than just thinking that your hair is not growing. So I know I've done a lot of video on my routine, what I do and stuff like that, but I really want this video to help as many out there that still are finding it difficult to separate like products they use for their hair, like what they apply on their hair and what their routine, what they do on a consistent basis should look like. So I decided I was going to make this video. I'm about to moisturize my hair. As you can see, I have what I'm using to moisturize my hair here. But I just thought to just make this a quick one and share what a hair care routine is. And mostly for beginners, because they are the ones that still find it difficult to know what a routine is. And for your information, a routine is the same thing as a hair care regimen. So a routine is a consistent step that you follow on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis to help keep your scalp, your hair strands moisturized and growing well. Think of it as a daily, weekly hair care system that you put in place. Not random products application, but a repeated plan, like a laid or mapped out plan for your hair care. Now, this is what a hair care routine typically looks like. Number one, wash day. So this is supposed to help you remove sweat, build up, all the things that you've applied on your hair, give your scalp a fresh start, cleanse, remove everything, and start afresh. So the frequency should depend on you, your time, how you want to go about it. Is it once every week, once every 2 weeks, once every month? That totally depends on you. You need to adjust your wash day routine according to your scalp needs. So if I ask you, what is your routine like? I'm expected to hear something like, okay, I wash my hair every so and so, number of times in a month, in a week, and stuff like that. So wash day is part of this, the first thing I like to put on my list when I'm talking about my hair care routine. Then the second one is your moisture routine. Now, this is where you now mention the things that you use to moisturize your hair. Your water, your leave-in conditioner, your oils, your creams, things like that. How often do you do them? Is it weekly? Is it monthly? Is it quarterly? Is it daily? That depends on you as well. So I'm not here to tell you how often you should do these things. I'm just laying down like a plan. And I'll give you examples, like tell you, okay, you are supposed to moisturize your hair maybe once in a week, twice in a week, 3 times in a week. For me, I typically do like 2 to 3 times a week. It depends actually. If my hair gets dry too quickly, I do moisturization routine more often. But if it doesn't, I can stretch my moisture routine up to like once in a week. Depends on you. But then your moisture routine is a must if you want to grow long, healthy hair, because you can't walk around with dry hair. Dry hair breaks. So to prevent that dryness, to prevent that breakage, moisture has to be in place. Number 3, protective styling. The Main idea of a protective style is not just the kind of style that you put in your hair, it's the way you carry that style. So whatever protective style you choose, how often you put it on, how often you take them down. Maybe you keep them in monthly or bi-weekly, or you leave them for as long as 3 months, 6 months, whichever one. But then, how often do you style your hair? Are you always styling every week? Protective style is supposed to protect you. It's supposed to reduce manipulation. It's supposed to keep your hands away from your hair. So that is another routine. That is something consistent basis. Like, okay, I'm keeping my style in for a month. I keep like that. I take it down. I put in another one. I take it down like that. Consistency in that style. Number 4, your treatment care. Now, this is what a lot of people usually mention. When I ask, what is your routine like? They tend to, mention the Ayurvedic herbs, the treatment, the this, the mask and all. Girl, that is a section. I like to say that is a section inside your hair care routine. It's not a routine on its own. No, it's part of your routine, but it's not the routine, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So now there is the deep conditioning treatment, there is the protein treatment, there's the Ayurvedic mask treatment, there's the scalp treatment if necessary for some people. And so these are all things that we personally have incorporated into our routine to further boost the health of our hair, which is a plus for us. So these treatments are meant to strengthen, they are meant to keep your scalp healthy, they are meant to nourish your hair, they are meant to protect your hair strands, they are meant to keep your hair strands, moisturized at all times. They are just there, just for the care of your hair. So it's part of your routine, but it's not the routine when you are being asked, what is your routine like? Your routine is supposed to be all the things you do on a consistent to keep your hair healthy and thriving. So the last thing I would like to mention is your maintenance habits. So it's okay to wash your hair, moisturize, do treatments, nourish and all that. But then the maintenance, it goes a long way to ensuring that your hair overall is being catered for. Some people typically just put their hair in a style and they forget about it. No, you're supposed to be checking on your hair every now and then to see how it's faring. Look out for small actions that will protect the progress of your hair. It can be something as small as gentle detangling, using a satin bonnet or a scarf when you want to go to bed at night. It could be making sure that you get trims when necessary or cutting down on heat, styling tools. Maintenance overall is very, very important. Don't just slam a style on your hair and then you forget about it. You have to keep checking, keep observing if there are any kind of negative changes that you need to work on, something that you need to step up on, or something that you need to stop using because it's affecting your hair. That is maintenance. You're trying to look out for your hair, if you understand what I mean. So these things are what comprises of your routine, not just the products that you're using. The frequency, the consistency is what makes it a routine. I hope I have made some sense with all I've said, so that I don't ask somebody what is your routine and you're mentioning Ayurvedic treatment, fenugreek, cloves. That is not a routine. So it is part of what you do in your routine, but what exactly it is that you're doing on a consistent basis that forms a habit. It has to be a habit. It has to be something that you're consistently doing. So yeah, that is all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you've been able to learn what a routine is or what it looks like at least. If you've learned anything on this video, please share with me in the comment section and let me know if you understand what a routine is. So till I come your way in my next video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so, share this video with all your new natural hair bees so that they can learn from it as well. I'll see you guys in my next one.